Hey there, Nate from Navigator Bookkeeping here with the next video in the Profit First series. How many of you business owners have stressed about tax time or have worried about, what's my tax bill going to be? Do I have enough? Where am I going to get the money for that? All those thoughts. Many business owners stress about it, so that's why the account today is one of my favorites, and it's the tax account, which is right here on our chart. The tax account is basically a tax savings account. So as your money comes into your income account here, you're going to distribute out a percentage, in this case 15%, to your tax account twice a month. What that's going to do is it's basically going to fund your tax account for you so that when tax time rolls around or when your estimated taxes roll around, your business is funding those for you instead of you having to kind of scramble for money and pull it from something else, whether it's what you're going to pay yourself or your operating expenses. You don't have to do that anymore because your tax account is there to fund it for you. If you start with even 10%, 15%, 20%, you're going to be in a really good place so that when those estimated tax payments come up 4 times a year and when your final tax payment comes up April 15th or whenever your deadline is, depending on your type of business, your business has the money ready for you. One of the best parts is if you fund that all year, when you actually get to tax time, oftentimes you're going to have actually more in that tax account than is needed for your tax bill, which means you can take an extra bonus yourself. You can use that money to seed next year's tax bill. You can make a purchase that you've been wanting to make, whatever you want to do. It's really an amazing feeling when you pay your tax bill and there's actually money left over to use however you see fit. So that's why the tax bill is one of my favorite, or the tax account is one of my favorite accounts in Profit First. If you're just thinking about Profit First, you're unsure if you want to really dive into the full system, this is just a good place to start. Just set up that tax account separately, start putting aside 10 or 15% in there, and you're going to see the benefits of that. And I think it's really going to show you the benefits of the whole Profit First system at large, because you're going to see how amazing and how stress reducing, I guess, it is to have a tax savings account there ready to back you up, ready to cover your taxes for you, so that no matter how much business changes, you're always putting a flat percentage in there. So when you have a great month or whether you have a slow month, you're still putting a percentage in there to cover your taxes for yourself and for your business. Your business is paying your taxes for you. So that's the tax account. Really one of my favorites, one of the easiest to implement. In the next videos, we're going to talk about the two other accounts in the Profit First system.